everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a productive vlog, kind of like a little reset, getting my life together. I have a whole bunch of things on my to-do list that have just kind of been like on the bottom of my to-do list that I've just been putting off that I need to get done. I just need like a good reset day to just kind of like get my life together. I'm going to be cleaning, planning, a little bit of like self-care and relaxing. I feel like by the end of this, I'm just going to be feeling really refreshed and ready for the week coming up. We're just going to do like a little reset. I have a little to-do list that I typed up, so this is kind of like everything that I want to do. I hope you guys enjoy and find this motivating, especially if you need to have a productive day yourself. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, definitely comment below what you like to do on a productive day or what's part of your reset routine. Also make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, emilygrace.26, and let's just get into the vlog. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean. My apartment is a little bit messy. I actually filmed an outfits video yesterday. I think that will already be up, so I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. Like winter to spring outfits ideas. I was trying on like 15 plus different outfits, and I got done like right as the sun was setting. All the clothes are just sitting on my couch in my living room. I need to hang all of those clothes up. I also have like some dishes I need to dust. I need to vacuum. I have some laundry, lots of like cleaning to do. I also need to water all of my plants. That is quite a task. I never realized how many plants I have until I have to water them. I think that is the first thing I'm gonna do because of everything on my list. I think the cleaning is gonna take the longest, so I'd like to just get that done first. Let's get to cleaning. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking so much cleaner. I'm so glad I took the time to do that, especially before the weekend. I actually got a package in the mail from Revolve. I thought I would do like a little haul of what I picked up. I picked up some really cute pieces for the springtime, so I thought I'd do a little try on haul. I'm gonna have everything linked below in my description, so if you want to shop any of these pieces, they'll all be linked below, as well as sizing details and everything like that. I'm really excited. I always hear people talking about Revolve, and they actually did give me these pieces, so thank you so much to Revolve. They have so many good things on their website, like so many good brands. They have a Goldie jeans and base like luggage, so many of my favorites. I was shopping on there and I just saw so many good things. I got this whole box. Let's open it up. First up are these shoes. They look like this. They're like these nice little sandals. I thought these would be so cute for the spring and the summer. I love like this little like scrunchy detail. They have a nice heel, but they're not like too crazy high, so they'd still be easy to walk in. They had a lot of really good reviews as well. I really don't have that many nice sandals, so I thought these would be a really good basic and something I can get a lot of wear out of. Next are these shorts. I thought these were so cute. I love a good pair of denim shorts. These are like a nice high-rise style, like a nice medium wash, and they're cut off. They're from the Girlfriend brand. I always see a lot of good stuff about their denim, so I'm really excited to try these. I just think they're gonna be so cute. I love this like style and fit of denim. Next I got this top. It's so soft, like literally like the softest flowy flowiest material. It's like this white crop top, and then it kind of like wraps and ties around. I feel like this will be like a nice, like cute, but also basic top. I mentioned in one of my other recent hauls that I don't have a lot of like cute tops, cute kind of like fun dressier type tops. Like all my tops are very like basics. I wear a lot of like basics, more kind of like casual pieces, like oversized tees, sweatshirts, that type of thing. So I think this will be a nice kind of like dressier type fun top. Next, I got this sweater. I just thought this was so cute with like the little pattern. Perfect for this time of year where spring is right around the corner, but it's still really cold out. Like right now it's literally snowing. I'm kind of like in the spring mood. Like I'm more into like the brighter colors. I just don't want to wear all these dark colors from fall and winter. So I feel like this is perfect for this time of year. And I love like the little pattern on it. I think it's so cute. Definitely would look really nice with like some high-waisted jeans, like some high-waisted baggy jeans, like sneakers or boots or something. So it's kind of like that stretchy kind of soft material. Next, I got this really cute pink button up. I've been like really into pink lately. I actually don't really have a lot of pink in my wardrobe. I've been seeing a lot of pink on my Instagram feed and Pinterest. It's inspired me to buy more pink, and specifically like this bubblegum pink. I've been seeing it a lot lately and I just think it's so cute. I think this color is going to be very popular this spring and summer. I love button ups like this. I just think they're so cute with like a little crop top and jeans. So I think this will be so cute and definitely a really nice staple. You could definitely wear this like over a swimsuit or something as well, kind of like a more beachy vibe. It's like a really nice material, kind of like dressy and soft and flowy. I also got this little hair clip, like a little butterfly clip with pearls. I thought this would be really cute in the spring and summer with my hair in like a little half up, half down. I just think it's so cute and so summery and like girly. Revolve has a lot of really cute hair clips on their site. I really like this item. I'm super excited about this. It is this denim skirt. So it's like this light wash little denim skirt. I've been seeing these all over the place, all over Instagram and Pinterest. I feel like denim skirts have been so popular, and just kind of like mini skirts in general. I thought I would pick this one up. I love like the wash and style of it. I hope it's not too short. I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see. I'm hoping it fits good because I think it's really cute, and I've been wanting a little skirt like this. So I thought it would be really cute in the spring and summer, and I have a lot of ideas of how to style this, so I think it'll be a really good staple. This one is just really good quality. That is everything I picked up from Revolve. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. New clothes is perfect for like a reset. Little self-care, little shopping. Thank you to Revolve for gifting me these items. Once again, I'm gonna have everything linked below in the description, so if you want to shop any of those products, they'll all be linked below. Now it is time to go to my nail appointment, getting my nails and lashes filled. I think I'm gonna do these nails, just like simple, clean white nails. I just kind of want something simple after having a pattern on my nails. Bit later, I'm back home. I got my nails done. I think they look really cute and just like really clean and fresh. I also got my lashes filled and I think they look really good as well. I also fake tanned last night and I used the new Loving Tan 2-Hour Express in Ultra Dark. The 2-Hour Express has always been my favorite because it's really fast. Sometimes I put it on like late at night and then I'll wake up early and I don't have like a full 8 hours for it to like set. So I love the 2-Hour Express, and they just came out with it in Ultra Dark. So instead of just dark, it's Ultra Dark. And I used it last night. So I have a fresh fake tan, fresh lashes, fresh nails, so a little glow up. It is actually the next day. I just wanted to do a little bit of like planning and get organized mentally. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to add to my calendar, like some creative planning that I wanted to do as well, just like some content planning, like plan out the next couple weeks of like videos and Instagram posts. I feel like I have all this stuff in my head that I just need to like put on my calendar. Sometimes I like to just go on my Pinterest and kind of get some ideas. This is like great, I feel like, for creativity when I'm trying to plan out like content and ideas. So sometimes I like to just scroll on here. I'm gonna do a little planning, get organized. I feel like that's everything on my list. Wake up early, morning routine, clean, water plants. I also did want to do a little digital declutter because I have 152,000 photos and videos on my phone because I never delete them. I feel like it's gonna take a lot of time. So that is just kind of like on my list of things to do, just in general, like when I have extra time, like as I'm watching TV. Let's get to the planning. I have to meet my sister for lunch here pretty soon, so I'm just gonna do the planning and then I'll probably end the video there. I feel like I've done a lot of stuff to be productive and I feel really refreshed. My apartment is so clean. later. I added some dates to my calendar and also planned out the next couple weeks of Instagram and TikTok content. I think that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and feel motivated if you're also needing to kind of just get your life together, reset for the upcoming week. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Comment below some things you like to do to just kind of like reset and get your life together. Also make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.